ready to bend reality and blend artistic universes within Midjourney. Let's dive into Omni reference, a powerful technique for influencing your AI art. First, understand that Omni reference allows you to combine multiple reference images to guide Midjourney's creation. You'll need at least 2 images. These could represent styles, objects, colors, or concepts you want to merge. Upload them to Midjourney. Copy the image URLs. Click on each image, then copy image address. Now, craft your prompt. Start with /imagine, then paste your image URLs, separated by spaces. Follow with descriptive keywords and parameters like CW to control the weight of each image's contribution, or AR for aspect ratio. Experiment with different combinations and weights. Adjusting CW allows you to emphasize certain elements over others, giving you precise control over the final result. Omni reference unlocks incredible creative possibilities. Explore different styles, blend objects, and create truly unique artwork. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of AI art.